got the grill off that 2010 Chevy project truck I've been working on. Gonna wrap this in gloss black. First I'm gonna do some inlays all on the inside around here, on both the top and the bottom. And then after I'll do the rest in one piece. Alright, so I've already cleaned this, but I'm gonna clean it again. Just clean it with alcohol here. Get down in there again. I got it masked off. I'm going to use that to cut on so I don't scratch it. Yeah, it's already real clean, but I'm just doing it again just so there's any dust or anything. I already got a strip line here that I cut. It's going to be a little tough to get it in here. It is kind of a long, skinny piece. A little tough to work with. I'm going to try and split the backing paper in the middle. It's not paper actually, it's the plastic. And do one half and then do the other half so I get it nice and straight. Alright, so there we go. She's split in the middle and we'll stick her on now. I'm going to peel off one half and then I'll stick that half on and we'll do the other half. I'm going to try and round up around to the top corner and have a seam there where it's out of sight. I want this to be long enough. So I'm going to leave that side and stick this side. That's looking good so far. Alright, that's the bottom half of the inlay done. Alright, so I got a fresh blade and I'm going to cut the bottom half. Follow along the edge of the tape. So I'm putting just very little pressure, so just to say cuts through the wrap, not through the masking tape. Basically scoring the wrap. If you're wondering where Minnie's hiding, she's got her own spot over there. She's got a nice soft carpet. Good girl, Minnie. Alright, so we'll do this side here. Got one piece ready to go. the inlays for the top half. Well, I guess I got this side left. This side's all done. They look good. Alright, on to the other side here. Alright, so I got the little bottom inlay down here. I got it all masked off. I'm going to do the big bottom piece here to wrap up and around. Got a chair right there, you might as well sit on it, right? Alright, so we got one last piece left. Just got this bottom top piece here. And all the inlays are done. That one big piece will probably take less time than all these little pieces. The little pieces are a real pain. If you don't do it, then you have gaps and stuff, and you can't really do it after. It's all patchy if you do it after. Alright, we got all the inlays done. Now we just got the main piece to put on. Got the emblem off. The piece I cut here is definitely a little big, but they're too small, I guess.